Hey guys, Tony here. It looks like SHIBA does want to run again. We started that 1 hour bullish cycle back at what is that, 4 o'clock yesterday, and all we've been doing is trading sideways. We had a nice push to the upside, but keep in mind we are still within the trading range. If we do end up breaking previous or relative highs or this previous resistance at 29, I do think we can see 36 all over again. And if 36 gets broken and we start creating bullish candles above that, I do think we'll see 59. Also, good news, the 4 hour looks like it's about to break bullish, and we are creating floors on the stochastic. We don't really have a lot of historical plays from this, but the last time this happened, we actually ran from, let's go back here, from October 4th, right? At 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We ran from there all the way up to, where we are around, like right now, around 24, that same level, right? So we ran 00016. I think this time we might actually see another push to the upside. I don't know how big it's gonna be. I do think that the run actually might happen the next 2 days or so, but if we do a full percentage gain, it would be 189. That means that we would go like all the way up to like right here, right? But 0.050s. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 6. 16, 15 will put us like right there. So if we follow suit like last time we ran 16 cents in around, just bear with me, I don't want to say 000 whatever. Last time we did run 16 cents in about a day and 4 hours. I think that we can do the same run as that first instance of the 4 hour bullish close in another 2 days or so. So from these prices right now, I can expect another move to the upside, about another 70-ish, 50, 70-ish%, which would put us at, close to around the previous highs, which is back at 36, right? Because we actually went to 37, 36. We basically retested that. We basically tested those perfectly, and we dropped back down. So I think in the next 2 days, more than likely, I think there's a high chance that we retest those highs, those relative highs of 36, 37. And if that range is broken, that trading support is broken, that resistance, I think, we're headed to 59. And, this is just based off of TA, right? I think if we do break that resistance, you might see it play out like this, come back down and then retest and run. Or you might see us just break and then just completely shoot up to the upside, depending on volume. Or you might see us just kind of go like this, right? So there's a lot of things that can happen. You might see us like this, come back, maybe complete a new trading range right here, right? And then once this trading range is completed, depending on where you go, right, within this range, you can see another drop off back to possibly here and creating 30 as a new floor, or we run straight to 59 cents. So there's a lot of things that can happen right now. Personally, I'm just waiting for that 4 hour to close bullish while the stock is already creating bottoms. And I think my price target, dependent on because we don't have that many representations of the 4 hour closing bullish on Shiba Inu, it's kind of hard to determine an average of what the move can be. So the only thing that I can actually assume or kind of play with is that we're going back to 36, 37, possibly a little bit higher to 38, just because of the first instance that it did this a couple of days ago. And that's really all we have as far as a historical pattern. So keep in mind that might play out. It might play out half of that. It might play out 100% of that or 150% of that. So, this is going to be a really good chance to determine future moves on the 4 hour chart for Shiba Inu. But as of right now, once this actually closes bullish, which I think it will, hopefully in the next, 3 hours and 43 minutes, I can definitely see a solid run to the upside by Shiba Inu. Keep in mind though, that it can definitely just go back up to trend retest and drop back down to 17. So there's a lot of things that need to happen for us to actually rally to the upside. I do want to see how big of a push this 4 hour bull cycle is going to be, or if we even close a 4 hour bull cycle. We have to wait and see what happens to the candle in the next 3 hours and 42 minutes. So I'll see you guys in about 4 hours. Bye bye.